Oh, the weather is usually one of our most reliable problems
Reliable problems,
when
right?
going to the airport.
Yeah, you know, it's going to be rough if you have any weekend traveling plans, maybe you want to do a quick escape, right? We have just a series of cold fronts that will be lining up for us as we head beyond this weekend. But right now, the first thing that's on our minds will be the single-digit cold on the way. Not everyone will get cold enough to see the single-digit cold, but once you factor in the wind chill, yeah, it's going to get near zero, just slightly below that. So this is the type of cold we're going to be experiencing as we go throughout the overnight. And the sun dropping, temperatures are really going to be dropping as we have more clearing skies moving overhead. What's new? We have a little bit of weekend snowflakes to talk about, then more rounds of snow to talk about as this rush of cold air continues to flow in. As we go throughout the next 4 hours, this is just one part of the equation, low 20s to upper teens. It appears we're going to have just a gorgeous sunset on tap for us. This is just going to set us up for a gorgeous viewing of the cold moon. Full moon, your December moon is going to be looking nice, but it's going to come with wind chills nearing zero as early as 9, 10, 11 o'clock as we go throughout the pre-dawn hours. So this is going to be the forecast for the third shifters, for the bus stop. It's just going to be brutally cold as we go throughout the next 12 hours. And here's why. This high pressure system, this is not an ordinary high pressure system. It's visiting us all the way from the Arctic Circle. So this is real polar air we're talking about. This is going to be rotating in, but check it out. Cold, dry air is giving us a pocket of clearing skies. That's nice as we go throughout the next few hours. But notice how we have this little trough. This is a lobe dislodged all the way from the polar vortex. So that's going to be visiting us for tonight. And that's going to be sliding in. A brief appearance. We have temperatures in the teens. Traverse City. Check out Minneapolis, 11. It feels like number of 6 below. This is the type of air that's going to be sliding across the Great Lakes throughout the next 10 hours. This high pressure is already going to be off to the east for us. So we pick up a light south wind, which is a relatively warmer wind going into your Friday morning. 13 is what I have for the morning glow. Sub-zero wind chills are nearing zero. Good viewing of the cold moon, but yeah, layers, layers, layers. That is what you need to remember heading out to the bus stops, getting started for your Friday morning. We're actually going to minimize somewhere around 3 and 4 o'clock for tonight. So I just want to display just how cold we're going to get. Many of our inland communities starting off with sub-zero wind chills. Here's that south wind for your Friday morning into midday. Temperatures trying to warm up to near 30 degrees. So generally we will be in the upper 20s, which National Design by daily forecast. Then temperatures will try to warm up into the low 30s going into your Saturday. So as we go into your next few days or so, temperatures are going to be getting closer to the freezing mark as we get closer to your weekend forecast, but that will include some chances of light snow starting late Saturday into your Sunday with your Union Home Mortgage 10-day outlook showing those chances of snow showers arriving by late Saturday with our next Clipper system. Our biggest chance of snow for this weekend with light snow chances that could impact your Browns game for your Sunday afternoon. Monday will be the buffer day with peaks of sun, and then a series of Clipper system, even with upper 30s, a mixture of rain and snow, then more snow to talk about by this time next week.
Listen, snow makes the Browns game fun.
It does.
I can tell you that.
Yeah, some light snow likely. Get your tickets. They should be really cheap.
Thank you. All right, well, that's probably true. Anthony, thank you very much.
For sure.